Hey guys, what is going on? We're going to be talking about the Vemico aftermarket battery for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Let's talk about this battery really quick. I'm going to throw up some important stats, some specs for this battery, comparing it to the GoPro Hero 8 Black battery, the stock battery that comes with the actual camera itself. And the Vemico battery, you're going to get a little bit more juice out of it. Just a little bit. But enough to notice in my opinion, because I've been using this as a web camera. I used this in the last two videos that I made on this YouTube channel. So the worms, give the worms a chance video, and the old man gets taught a lesson in Chaz video. It performed great. The only hiccup that I had with this was, and it might not have even been the battery. It could have been the capture card. It cut off. And I just had to power it off and power it back on. But, you know, I basically filmed for over 20 minutes and it ended up working flawlessly. Just right out of the box, I had a little bit of juice and it ended up working flawlessly. The battery does install the exact same way that you would install this battery here. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. You know, dimension-wise, they look and feel exactly the same. The only difference is the specs and of course the color. Of course, what you get in the package is you're going to get 3 Vemico batteries, all the same specs, and charging them is a breeze. You just go ahead and slide it in, and you hear like you'll feel the click. You'll feel it click in. Pulling it out is just as easy. It goes in and out with very easily, which is excellent. I love that. I love the size of the charging block here. It's very, very small. Very, very small. You can easily put this right on your desk. It's not going to take up any space. You can easily leave this in the console and in your car while your batteries are charging. If you're out in the field, if you're out and about, you know, doing your adventure vlogging or blogging or whatever. And of course you get the cable. It's a USB-C cable to a traditional USB cable. I think it's USB 2.0, unfortunately. So you're not going to get the fastest charge out of this, but you can charge this pretty much anywhere you go, which is fantastic. Now, of course, you guys I'm putting other footage up on the screen here for you to watch how all of this works exactly. It's unfortunately made in China. I'm going to be including a link in the description for you, so you're getting the right one. Just a friendly reminder: when you're buying aftermarket batteries, you want to make sure that it is going to be compatible with your camera, because I think Vemico sells another battery very similar to this, but with a black bottom, and it's like for different GoPros or something like that. So just be mindful of that. I'm going to give you the direct link to what I purchased myself. And of course, I'm not sponsored by Vemico. I literally purchased this myself because I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff out in the field. I'm just preparing for the winter because it's going to get colder. It's going to be a lot easier to shoot out in the desert because right now it's just insanely hot, unless I want to go later on in the night, which I just kind of don't want to because it's still really fucking hot and I got other shit going on. But no, I absolutely love this. I for $40, man, this is a steal. This is an absolute steal. You can't beat these prices. You can't beat these prices. And right now I'm using the brand new video mic, or the GoPro Media Mod. I should probably do a separate video on that. Maybe another video on how to set it up as a webcam, because it's actually really darn easy. And the fact that I wasn't able to find all the information that I was able to online is kind of upsetting, but I was able to do it, and it's wonderful. It's super easy. I love it. I'm having a great time with this camera. So, yeah, this is going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Also, because of the censorious nature of Google and the Silicon Valley cartel in general, I'm going to be including, I always include it, but please go ahead and check me out on minds.com, LBRY, Bitchute, etc. Because they're coming after all of us. It's very unfortunate. A lot of really awesome and talented content creators were banned. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Peace out. Oh, and of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye.